Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first is you need to make sure that you are disabling the antivirus of your Windows. So click on this show hidden icons to the taskbar. So if you have right here like Malwarebytes, McAfee, what you'll have to do, right click on that and then select exit or quit. That will temporarily disable the antivirus until you get your job done. Or also if you have the Windows security, click on that. Click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. Now if this is switched on, then switch this off. Firewall and network protection, private network, switch this off too. So once you switch the real-time protection and the Microsoft Defender firewall, let the job continue or let the setup continue. And once that is done, go back to the same Windows security window and then enable this also for this because these are important security of your Windows. Once done, next method is you need to search for Explorer. To open the File Explorer, here click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive, look for a folder named Program Files x86, then look for the Epic Games right here. So if you find the Epic Games folder right here, what you'll have to do is you just need to make a right click and then select, say for example, delete. If this is the Epic Games, delete that folder. Then go back to Windows C drive and then click on Program Files. And look for the Epic Games right here. So if you find the Epic Games, the same process, right click and then select delete. Once that is done, close this window. Then try continuing the setup. And then the last method is we need to search for Task Manager. We are going to run the MSIEXEC as admin. In here, you need to look for this plus sign symbol, which is to create a new task. In here, you need to type, just follow me, msiexec.exe. It's msiexec.exe. Check this box for create this task with administrative privileges. Do not forget to check this box. Click on Browse. Then here, scroll up to Downloads. Programs, change this to all files. And here you'll find the Epic installer. Click on Open. Click on OK. Now let's close this window. Then here, just click on Install. So you just have to wait for that. So once that is done, this will let you open the Epic Games launcher. Now this is verifying update. So you just have to wait for this until all the downloads have been downloaded, and then you can now enjoy the Epic Games launcher. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.